Hello angels, today I'm going to do more of a shower routine and a hair care routine all together kind of video. It's more like my self-care on my day off, so it involves skincare and hair care and DIY hair mask and all of that good stuff. And if you're stopping by for the first time, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's dive in.
Let's begin with DIYing my hair mask. I'm taking fenugreek seeds and blending it into a fine powder. You could also store some for future use. And taking some of the powder in a bowl and adding some cold water to make it into a thin paste by mixing it, and make sure it doesn't have any lumps. So this is the consistency we are looking at. It's more like a watery kind of liquid. And now I'm taking a wok or any pan on the stove, and once the pan is hot, adding the fenugreek paste on low flame. Cook it by stirring continuously. So this is the consistency we are looking at, but it's too thick, so I'm adding some more cold water. And once it's boiling, we could actually stop the stove and then stop the cooking process here. So once it's cooled down, so this is how it looks. It's more thick now. Now going back to my shower routine. So I'm using this First Aid Beauty Gentle Foaming Cleanser, and since this is really good for sensitive skin, this is what I'm using. And this also removes my makeup, so I'm really loving this cleanser. And going back to my hair and then just brushing my hair using the wide tooth comb
Before applying my hair mask, this is how it looks. I'm just going to apply, mostly I'm going to concentrate to my scalp, and then whatever is left out I'm going to apply that to my hair as well. I pretty much apply this to my hair and also scalp in the front, and do wear like something old kind of shirt which you don't mind getting dirty. So now I'm going to move to the back of my head, and don't leave this one like too long initially, because this is kind of a cold kind of mask, and then you might catch cold if you leave it on your hair for too long. So I'm going to apply the rest of the mask, applying it to my hair. This is how my hair looks real close up. We could see like this is like totally saturated with the mask. So this is how it looks. To put this in a bun for 20 minutes or so, then I'm going to wash it off. This is the lip mask that I'm going to use, and that is Willow Lip Scrub. Serafine Botanicals Fruit Butter Lip Mask. And a good thing about this one is it's cruelty free and vegan. And this is a bedtime mask. You could leave this overnight. My lips is like always on the drier side, so I really prefer like thick kind of mask, and Serafine Botanicals is one that I have been using lately and loving their products. It's been more than 20 minutes, and this is how my mask looks. And time to wash my hair, and this is what I'm going to use. This is the Viori shampoo, and this is their conditioner, that is Head and Waterfalls. And I'm going to, once the conditioner and everything is done, I'm going to tie my hair in this kind of hair wrap. I have been using this for years and I really love it, so I'm going to use this. And time to wash my hair. To apply this oil, and I have been using this like for so long, and I'm going to use like very teeny tiny bit so that it doesn't weigh down my hair. Maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4 drops, just to control my frizz, and also just to strengthen my hair. Just applying that to my scalp, especially in the front, because my hair in the back, it grows really long, but this, it takes forever to grow, so I'm just concentrating mostly in the front. And also I have all the flyaways in the front, so just to control the frizz and flyaways, just applying that to my scalp. Okay, and this is the time where I usually brush my hair with the same white tooth comb. Wrap my hair in this rose mine. Just wrapping it, and in the back, wherever this button is. Okay, so we are done with hair for now, and now let's move on to face. Let me do something about my face. And this is Kate Somerville, Skin Health Experts All Type, and this is exfoliator. This is a green mask. Just use it for a minute or two. Yeah, it has got that tingling kind of. Keep this on for 2 minutes and then wash it off. It feels really good since it was like tingling. Washing with cold water felt really good. Let me move on to my skincare. So this is what I have been using. Car Skin Restore Eye Serum. Time to move on to the face serum, and that is the vitamin C from the Sensuals Natural and Organic Skincare, and this is hyaluronic acid plus added with plant stem cells, and this is how it looks. Then I'm going to use some kind of calming kind of moisturizer, and this is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration. I love the smell of this. This is the Rose Quartz. Time to move on to hair. Feels like so soft. My hair, just like the touch of it, feels so soft. Now time to brush my hair. So for hair, this is what I'm going to use, but a very teeny tiny bit. Shea Moisture Curling Gel, Coconut and Hibiscus. This is my hair once completely dry. It looks so much shinier, and it feels so much like it has got so much volume. So this is how it looks from the back. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully, you had fun, and don't forget to give this video a big, 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 big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.